Hello and Namaste. Welcome to our today's product training session. Our today's session is on Atomy Shilajit capsules. Atomy Shilajit capsule is the second GSTS product of Atomy India. It is made under the scheme of Make in India and the ingredient is approved by Ayush. Shilajit has a long legacy of its use because of its benefits. The formation of Shilajit dates back to 200 billion years ago. The formation of Shilajit dates back to 200 million years ago, trapping the ancient organic matter between its layers. The time when the earth was remolding itself led the movement of India towards Asia continent. This led to the huge collision, eventually leading to the formation of Himalayas, which trapped all these ancient organic matter into its ranges. There is a fable associated with the discovery of Shilajit. It is known that the people living in the Himalayas saw monkeys consuming these rocky exudates, and they wondered if the strength and stamina of monkey comes because of this consuming this Shilajit. So out of curiosity, they collected these rocks and purified it, leading to the extracts of Shilajit. And when they also started consuming it, they felt the immense strength and stamina and power. And therefore, they themselves consumed it and also started giving it to others. And the others also felt the same kind of benefits. This led to the popularity of Shilajit, and the word spread all across the world. Even the ancient historian Aristotle noted the benefits of Shilajit in his manuscripts. And it is also said that the King Alexander gave Shilajit to his army, leading to the immense strength and stamina of its army, which led to the victory after victory, conquering half of the world known at that time. Also, the traditional Indian literature known as Ayurveda noted down its benefits. The Ayurvedic texts like Charak Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, these famous Ayurvedic literatures also noted down Shilajit as a powerful tonic and gave it the term Shilajit, which is a Sanskrit word, Shila and Jeet. Shila means mountain and Jeet means conquer. This simply translates into the term conqueror of the mountains. And because of its known as the powerful tonic, it is the next term given to Shilajit is the destroyer of the weakness. The strength of Shilajit comes because of its synergistic effect of its composition. Based on the studies, it is known that Shilajit contains 60 to 80% of the organic matter along with its high mineral rich profile. Approximately 85 different types of minerals along with the trace minerals are available in its bioavailable form. Shilajit is a natural substance found in the high altitudes of Himalayan ranges. During summer, when the sun's rays warm up the rocks of the mountain, this leads to the oozing out of the exudate from these rocks. This blackish brown color substance flows out of the rock. It is kind of some sticky resin like substance which has a bitter taste and the pungent odor. The strength of Shilajit comes because of its synergistic effect of its composition. Based on the studies, it is known that Shilajit contains 60 to 80% of organic matter along with the high mineral rich profile. Approximately 85 different types of minerals along with the trace minerals are available in their highly bioavailable form. The active content of Shilajit is the fulvic acid, which is one of the strong antioxidant agent. There are many different benefits of fulvic acid, or you can say the mode of actions which is predicted. First, it is known as a carrier which helps in absorbing and carrying the nutrients to the deep tissues. With this, it is also known to produce energy in the cells, even in the low oxygen levels. It is also known to maintain the metabolic equilibrium, slowing down the cellular damage, eventually leading to the healthy aging process. The benefits of Shilajit is known because of its historical usage as the revitalizing and rejuvenating agent. It is known to boost stamina and strength, leading to the enhanced physical endurance. Also, it is known to improve the vigor and vitality. The energy producing ability of Shilajit helps in the conditions of chronic fatigue. Also helps in maintaining the overall energy of the body all day long. Also, Shilajit slows down the cellular damage process. Eventually, it means it protects the cells from the cellular degradation, leading to the healthy aging effect. Atomy Shilajit capsules contains the Shilajit exudate extract with the standardized fulvic acid content. It has a plant-based capsule which is odor-free and easy to consume. It is recommended to take 1 capsule twice a day with water for adults. Both men and women can use Atomy Shilajit capsule who wants to enhance their natural energy intake, as well as who wants to maintain their strength and stamina, enhancing the physical endurance. Also, the people looking for a healthy aging benefits of Shilajit can easily consume Atomy Shilajit capsules. So, along with this, I hope you understood all the benefits of our Atomy Shilajit, and I hope you will use it for its benefits as well as recommend others. So that's all for today's presentation. Thank you and be healthy. Bye bye.